Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the crankshaft pulley on Peugeot 307 and 307cc with a 2 liters petrol engine. The procedure is similar for other Peugeot cars with the same engine. We can see that the serpentine belt and the crankshaft pulley are located on the side of the engine. In order to get to the crankshaft pulley, first I'm going to remove the front right wheel and then the mudguard. I'm removing the wheel and the mudguard just to get a better view of the crankshaft pulley. In your case, you mightn't have to remove it. Now that the mudguard is removed, I have access to the crankshaft pulley. That's the crankshaft pulley right there. But first I'm going to remove the serpentine belt and the pulley on top of the crankshaft pulley is the tensioner, so I need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise in order to loosen and remove the belt. That's the tensioner right there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I'm going to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise and you see how the belt is getting loose, so I'm going to remove it. Next, before removing the crankshaft pulley, first I need to bring the crankshaft to top dead center so that I can lock the flywheel, because if I remove the crankshaft pulley without locking the flywheel, the crankshaft might rotate, because the crankshaft on this engine is not keyed to the crankshaft sprocket. When the crankshaft is at top dead center, then I can put the locking tool in the hole which is just over the drive shaft, which is right there towards the gearbox. This is the locking tool that I'm going to use to lock the flywheel. If you're not sure where top dead center is, just rotate the crankshaft pulley while somebody is trying to put in the this locking tool. And that's the locking tool in. Now the crankshaft is locked, so next I can remove the crankshaft pulley. That's the crankshaft pulley bolt out. Now I'm going to pull out the crankshaft pulley. And that's the crankshaft pulley out. Now I can replace it with a new one and put it back on and tighten the bolt. Once the bolt is tightened, don't forget to remove the locking tool from the flywheel. Next, I'm going to show you a diagram of the routing of the serpentine belt so that you know where the belt goes around all the pulleys. And next I'm going to put the new serpentine belt on. You can either leave for last the tensioner pulley or the AC compressor pulley to put the belt on last. In my case, I'm going to put last on the tensioner pulley. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise so that I can get a bit more space to put on the belt. And that's the serpentine belt installed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.